Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you in the world of sun scouting. So guys, are you up for some summer shopping? If yes, then check out my sun scouting reviews and then make your purchase decision. Guys, this website doesn't belong to me. I am just here to review the website. So let's get started with it. As you can see, the home page is quite good and the website is fully packed with the varied products. As you can see, the 20-volt Max Lithium, Audio Technica, then full size keg beer, Dream Box, Canal for Training, Hybrid Hobby Greenhouse, and much more products are available for your summer shopping. And that too, they are available on sale. So guys, let's move ahead and see what's next in the website. Okay, we'll move on to the About Us section. As you can see, this is About Us section of the summer store. It will going to tell you about who are we. They're the team of young and passionate people who wanted to build the company, basically the most coolest gadgets developer company in the world. The products include toys, glass, electronics, materials, batteries, and the phone accessories. They have given their values, their vision, their mission. You can see in the website. Our services, commitments, best price, quality products. Payment is through PayPal. You can see there is much more to come. Now the next is contact us option. So guys, if you have any sort of issue with the website, with their products, you can easily contact them 24/7. The website is available for you. You can just email them to the customer@webelment.top. They will respond to you within 24 hours. Then next we're going to see the privacy policies of the website. As you can see, this is the privacy policy section of the site. In this, they said that they are one of the top big commerce website. It will tell you about the privacy shield, the information, browser information, contact information, mobile app, payment information, usage information, and much more. They take cookies for their data, personal data processing processor. You can see the information is quite nice. Next we move ahead and we're going to see the terms of service. In terms of service, there will be every just information about the website, the overview of the site. Basically, you can see the terms of service. Read it carefully before buying any product from the website. The general conditions are given: accuracy, modification, products and services, accuracy of billing, optional tools, third-party links, and much more information is given. This will help you out in making your purchase. Hopefully you're going to read every gist of the information. Next we're going to see track your order. This is an add-on option to the website, that is you can track your order. You can take an overview of the order. There is a free shipping available option. Once you purchased your order, you can track it. When will my order be proceed? Shipping information, shipping confirmation, tracking, delivery, cancellation, changes, all are available. You just have a look. Then we're going to see the sample page option. In sample page, you're going to see the example page. Here you're going to see the example of persons who have bought the product. Basically, as a new WordPress user, you're going to go to dashboard basically to check more. Now guys, in my opinion, the website seems to be legit because it has great information about the products. Then the customer contact us option is also there. then the shipping and the delivery charges and shipping facilities also there. Privacy policy is quite good, and all the things are quite nice. Even the sample page and the add to cart and the term of service, track your order pages are there for your assistance. So in my opinion, it is legit. But guys, it's your final decision. You are one who can take the decision about the site, whether it is a scam or it is legit. Your comments will going to answer all the questions. Please do comment and let us know what you feel about the product. Share your authentic reviews, share your experiences, so that the future customers will take help from your reviews. So do share and comment, and please share your experiences with us. Thank you so much for being a patient listener, and we're going to see with more reviews about another websites. Thank you so much.